Hey people, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. Today I'm going to show you a very simple potato recipe. And first I'm going to peel my potato. You can use a knife or a potato peeler. It's okay. After that, I'll dice. You can see they are ready, diced. In my cooking pot, I'll add some water and some rosemary and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll add the diced potatoes. Then I'll blanch them. I'll cover. After 2 to 3 minutes, they are ready. Then I'll pass them through the cold water. The cooking oil is ready, so I'm adding the diced potatoes that are blanched, and I'll let them cook for about 5 to 8 minutes and they'll be ready. And ensure that you turn occasionally. They are ready. I'll remove the excess oil and set them aside. You can see they're so crunchy. I'll add some salt. Don't they look amazing? And guys, that is the tomato sauce that I made the other day. You can check out the recipe. And remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.